Volkswagen Transporter T5 2010 CFCA engine. Just want to show you where the actual fuel pump relay is on this car here. A lot of people don't know where it is, so you've got to remove the battery. The battery sits on top of here, so that cover there. So remove the battery, remove the cover, 13 mil. That's what holds the cover, battery cover, the bracket. And then the little one here, they're pretty much a torque socket. These ones hold this cover back on. So you're going to remove that cover on top, which is here. And then you come down to here. That's your fusible link and your engine bay relay. So that fuse, so number one, let's have a look. It's labeled anyway, you can see it. So this number one. Number two is missing on this one. Number three. And you got number 4 there. Number 5 is missing. Then number 6. Here number 6. You can see number 6 there. Number 4 there. So 4, 5, 6, and then number 7 is here. 7 and 8, they got 2 fuses. So 7.1 and 7.2, 8.1 and 8.2. So because they're smaller. So the one that you're looking for is 7.1. I took 7.2 out just so it doesn't confuse people. So if you're looking at the fuse, the grey one, small one, here, that's the fuel pump relay. That one there. Alright, pull it out. That's the fuel pump relay there. Alright? Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.